Hello everybody and welcome to our today's lesson number 8, verb estar, to be. Oh, again a verb which means to be, and people must be wondering, our last lesson was verb ser, which again means to be, and we will not be able to understand how and where to put what. Wait. Hold on. It's very important to understand these two verbs have the same meaning, but their usages are entirely different. So let's give a short recap of the last lesson. Ser verb is used for showing permanence in life. He's a boy. He's a tall boy. He's owner of the house. These are permanent things which we use with ser. On the contrary, with estar, it's a little different. Estar verb is used for someone's emotional state or location of a person or location of something. Estar verb doesn't show permanence in life. Estoy aburrida. I'm bored. Estoy cansada. I'm tired. It's a state which I am in currently, but in some time my state might change. In the same way, location of a person or of something. This particular thing is kept right now here, can be kept sometime there or maybe somewhere else, or I can be at my place right now, but I can be at someone else's place, like estoy en casa, I'm at home. Estoy en el jardín, I'm in the garden. I can be at different places in the entire day, or maybe I can be in office. So changes in location, changes in emotion, changes in your state, well-being are all with estar, which can be changed. Hence, there is a very big difference in using both the verbs. I hope this has made clear the usages and in the kind of sentences we will use the verb estar. Before starting our lesson, let's learn the very important concept of all the European languages, that is conjugation. Unlike in English, we use the same action word in all the sentences. The verb remains the same. He speaks Hindi, or we speak Hindi. The speak, the verb, doesn't change in English according to the personal pronoun. Whereas in European languages, speak will change as per the personal pronoun. Yo hablo español. I speak Spanish. Nosotros hablamos español. We speak Spanish. There is always a change in the pattern of the verb conjugation with each and every personal pronoun. And this will help you in the lesson followed to understand the concept of conjugation. So, let's get started with the conjugation of the verb estar. Are you guys ready? Let's get started with the conjugation of the verb estar, to be. Yo estoy. I am. Oh, hold on. I hope you visited our last lesson and you all are well aware of the concept of the personal pronouns. If not, please visit our last lesson for detailed description and complete view of the personal pronouns. Still, let's revise them for your knowledge. Yo is I. Tú is you. Él or usted, he or you. Ella or usted, she or you. You, formal. Nosotros, nosotras, we. Vosotros, vosotras, you. Ellos, ustedes, they or you formal for a group of elderly people. Ellas, ustedes, they. Now, let's get started with the conjugation. Yo estoy. I am. Tú estás. You are. Él or usted está. He or you. He is or you are. Ella está. Usted está. She is or you are. Nosotros, nosotras estamos. We are. Vosotros, vosotras estáis. You are. Ellos, ustedes están. They are. Or you with a plural meaning in a formal conjugation. Ustedes. Ellas, ustedes están. They are. Learn the conjugation of estar as it is one of the stepping verb of the entire language. Thanks for watching our today's video. Do like, comment, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Arey, itna nahi bas. Do press the bell icon for not missing any update, and you can also follow us on Instagram and Facebook with the handle name Bloomlingo. And we are signing off for today. Thank you all for watching, and we will come back with some more and exciting videos on languages. Stay tuned.